Manual disallows. My food program has many automatic claims checks, and sometimes sponsors need to manually disallow meals. There are 3 methods that sponsors can use to manually disallow meals. Method 1. Disallow individual meals on the meal count screen. Method 2. Disallow meals in bulk. Method 3. Disallow based on a visit. Let's start with Method 1. To disallow meals on the meal count screen, start by clicking on the dashboard button that says Meal Count or the dashboard button that says Attendance and Meal Count Entry. The name of the button will depend on your settings. Select the date, roster and meal for which you are disallowing a meal count. You can either disallow all meals or select individuals. Select the option for why the meal is being disallowed. Method 2. Disallow meals in bulk. To disallow meals in bulk, start by clicking on the dashboard button called Review Claim Errors and Disallow Meals. Scroll to the bottom of that page and click View/Edit Meals Disallowed by a Sponsor. You now have 2 choices, to disallow meals for a participant or to disallow meals by roster. Select either the participant or the roster, then choose the date and click the green Load button. A table will appear with the roster, names of the participants, meal types and each date for the week. If you see the knife and fork icon, with a green background, that indicates a meal was recorded. In order to disallow a meal, click on the red plus button next to the icon. Select the appropriate reason and click Save. The box will now have a red background with the number that indicates the reason for the disallow. You may also select the green Disallow All button at the top to disallow all meals in that week with the same reason. At the top of each date is another red plus button. You can click here to disallow all meals for that date. Method 3. Disallow based on a visit. To disallow meals based on a site visit, start by clicking on Visits from the main site dashboard. Click on the visit with the findings that require meals to be disallowed. Scroll down the section labeled Disallows from Visit. Start Disallow Date. Start Disallow Meal. Allowed to Claim Again Date. Allowed to Claim Again Meal. Reason. Apply to infant meals. Apply to non-infant meals. Click Save.